So it's 5:55. I'm supposed to be up an hour ago, but I'm so freaking tired. Let's get ready. Okay, so here's the plan. Today, we're gonna go get some breakfast. And then we're gonna do some light training. And then after, we're gonna get some work done. So, it's been raining all morning, but it's completely okay. We'll make the most of it. Anyway, let's go eat. Look at the rain. I have a huge tendency of just taking my time walking in the rain. Other people would just be like running. But no, I like to take my time. You see, look, they have 5 right there.
I could build out 5 worlds there, or I'll build out. See, the reason I think what they did is smarter because they're not off the landing page.
So I didn't really train this morning because I got somehow sucked into work and planning, but there is a dance class happening in probably 4 minutes. So I'm gonna squeeze some time in and dance my ass off. But first I gotta change my pants because I'm not dancing in jeans. I have a video showcasing where I'm staying at, so if you are interested in seeing that, please let me know because I would love to drop that video. We got like 4 minutes. Oh wait, my phone. We got like 4 minutes before class starts. I'm low-key walking fast, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it on time. And thankfully, it's not a far walk. And here we are. How do you know it's me? How did you know that?
I saw you. I saw you.
Shit. So, after all of that, it is currently 10:48 a.m. in the morning, and I still have my work to do. So, I'm gonna be here for a few hours, working, doing what I gotta do, and yeah, there's nothing really else to it until lunchtime, so. Cool, so that was delicious, and now it's time to get some more work done for the next hour. After that, I'm free. Let's go. So, before we move to anything else, I gotta book an appointment for a massage later today. So I'm gonna give them a quick call, and yeah, I'm gonna have them on speaker so you can see it in real time. It says call failed. I guess because of my signal. Yeah, I can't even call the number. Damn, I had their number on the damn video and shit. What? Shit. Okay, so that means that we gotta go there a little bit earlier, make the appointment. All right, but then it's 1:45. Everyone is going to the chocolate factory. I want to go to the chocolate factory too. Wow. Wow.
Yeah. No caffeine, no calories. Lots of antioxidants, lots of magnesium.
Oh, that's really good.
Okay. I forgot already what you. Sorry again.
Sorry, it's okay. I wanted one of the Rice Krispies with peanut butter.
One?
Yeah. And yes.
Yeah, she saw it.
A blue one. A blue one.
A blue one.
Yeah.
That's the blue one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And red one.
Okay.
And strawberry one, please. And
Cheers to good health.
We can fill a box up with what we want.
My phone needs to eat. Wow. Really good.
You got chocolate flavor without the calories. Except,
yeah.
Nicely brewed.
But it's almost done.
Really? In the kitchen?
Yeah, in the kitchen.
That's it. I need to order more.
But it's almost done. I had this morning.
Hans, you did it. You did it. That was me. 11 o'clock at night. Oh. Let's see.
Chocolate tea with chocolate.
Yes. I'm back at the resort with the goodies, and I'm gonna try out this leg compressor thing to improve my blood flow. See that? Same design, but you can see it a lot clearer now. So it is currently 4:42 p.m. and I'm about to go make the appointment at the shop. The only thing is, I don't know if they're going to be comfortable of me filming walking in, so I'm just gonna have to like resume the video after. So I went, I asked, and they said no. So now I've got to figure out where I'm gonna go later tonight. I don't know what to do because now I gotta find a different company and see if they're willing to let me film. Damn, this is gonna take up so much time. WA. Shout out to what's this place called? Trevi Thai Massage and Spa. Shout out to you because I'm about to pull up right now and film this video. So 6 o'clock, and right now I'm gonna go have dinner because over here they have dinner super early. But then after, I'm gonna go ahead and film this massage session. Food is already laid out. Well, the drinks. Also, these are the sides, and let me tell you, delicious. Have the soup too as well. This place is very healthy and health conscious, so everything here is super beneficial to you in the longevity, and yeah, everything tastes so freaking amazing. They even grow their own lettuce too.
This has been like so how's your thing? I'm pretty good, yeah, pretty chill. Just one dance class and then Holy Mail. Doing her class and then just women.
Damn, so it is 6:50 and I got 10 minutes to get to the spot, so wish me luck. So it's 7:02 right now and I'm a little bit late, but it's okay because the place is like somewhere over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Okay, just got back. It is currently 8:55 p.m. and right now we have one more thing left to do for the day. Okay, I had to do this in my room because it had better lighting, but I got myself a double Oreo croissant at 7-Eleven, and I also got this little raspberry or cherry cake. Niggas gonna have to use their hands. Oh yeah, baby. And the crazy thing is, no one knows it's my birthday. That is sweet. Some Oreo filling too. That's where the cherry's at. Happy birthday. Never in my life would I thought that I'll be in Thailand, but here we are. I don't have a candle, but I can make a wish, right? I didn't wish for anything. Oh, the cake is so soft. Whoa. Okay, itadakimasu. It's not often I get to celebrate my birthday in Thailand, so I'm very grateful and very blessed to have the opportunity to do so.